Okay, in this one, we need to give an example of a Python code fragment that attempts to write an element to a list based on an index that may be out of bounds. If it is out of bounds, we just catch the exception and print a message, which is don't try buffer overflow attacks in Python. Okay, I'm going to put this in a function, so I'm going to define it, write to file, to list, sorry, and it's going to take a list and then an index, which is going to be an integer, and the value that it will write to. It will return a list again. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a try except block. So first I'm going to try and then try to set the value at the index. And we can do that like this. And try to catch the index error. If we have an index error, we need to print this message. Just copy this. Oh. Yeah, just ignore the output. And if we catch the error, we just print yeah, there's something I need to copy it properly. So Control C. Okay, so we need to print that, and if everything works fine, we just return the new array. Or yeah, return A. We can try this by running the script interactively, as always. So I'm going to open the terminal again. And I'm going to do Python 3. Run the correct script. And I'm trying write to list, and I'm going to give an array 1, 2, if I could type, 2, 3. I'm going to give an index that is out of bounds, let's say 11, and I want to give it the value 55. It will print the message, don't try buffer overflow attacks in Python. But if I do index 2, then yeah, I get I write to the list. I override the element at index 2. That's it for this exercise.